Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Real Body Cams, and the title of the video is "Woman Denied Bus Ride, Does This and Gets Free Trip to Jail Instead." So let's get to the video. Let's see what they're talking about here.
On October 24th, 2024, officers in Florida received a call reporting that a woman had spat on a bus driver before walking away from the scene. Officers quickly located a woman matching the description in a nearby parking lot. Here's what the officer did next.
All right, Renee, come on.
She spit on the bus driver?
What is this, sir?
Spitting on people on the bus.
I didn't spit on nobody! I did not spit on nobody, sir! Sir, I did not spit on anyone! Sir, I did not spit on anyone! Sir, I did not spit on anyone!
Renee, stop.
Oh man, just imagine what her breath smelled like. Did you see that? Look at her teeth. Look at, oh my goodness.
Located a woman matching the description in a nearby parking lot. Here's what the officer did next.
All right, Renee, come on.
What is this, sir?
Come on.
What is this, sir?
Spitting on people on the bus.
I didn't spit on nobody! I did not spit on nobody, sir! Sir, I did not spit on anyone! Sir, I did not spit on anyone! Sir, I did not spit on anyone!
Renee, stop.
Sir, I did not spit on anyone! Sir, I did not spit on anyone! Sir, I did not spit on anyone! I did not spit on anyone!
You're going to jail, Renee.
Y'all want to
Now you're
sir, I did not spit on anyone! Sir, I did not spit on
Renee, let's go.
anyone!
Let's go.
I did not spit on anyone!
go.
I did not spit on anyone! I spit at the bus! I spit at the bus! I spit at the bus! I spit at the bus!
Renee, you're going to get your wrist broken.
Sir, I spit at the bus! Sir, I spit at the bus! Sir, I spit at the bus!
I got her detained.
Sir, I spit at the bus! I did not spit on her! I did not spit on her! I spit at the bus! Sir, I did not spit on her!
Drop your bag, Renee.
I did not spit on her! Y'all, I'm gonna live stream! I did not spit on her!
Get in the car.
I did not spit
In
on
the
her!
car!
I didn't do anything
Renee,
wrong!
yes, you did.
No, I
And
did
you're
not!
resisting as well.
No, I did not!
In the car.
I did not do anything wrong. Y'all can't arrest me. I didn't do anything wrong. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sir. Sir. I didn't do anything wrong.
Did you?
No.
You gotta stop hitting that fucking flag!
I didn't do anything.
What's wrong with you?
Sir, I didn't do
What the
anything.
fuck is wrong?
Stop. Williams,
I didn't spit on her. I'm going to ask you. I didn't spit on her.
you're not going to live stream.
I didn't do anything wrong. Sir, I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. Sir, I didn't do anything wrong. Y'all detaining me.
No, you're going to jail.
I didn't do anything wrong. Y'all detaining her. Y'all detaining me. Sir, I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
Go ahead and pick her up.
I didn't do anything wrong. I'm just going to I'm arresting you. I'm arresting her. I'm arresting you. 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 Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here.
Yes, sir.
2, 3.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm arresting. You're detaining her. You're detaining her. You're detaining her.
You're going to jail, Renee.
You're detaining her.
Pull her through.
You're detaining her.
Man, that's bad when you, when they know you by first name. They know you. You known in the town. You known in the town. That means you are a known headache. Yeah, but her screws is loose. You know what I'm saying? She really needs some mental health help. Mental health help. Yeah, there we go. But,
Her. You're detaining her.
imagine getting
You're
spit on
hurting me.
by her.
You're hurting me.
It's insane. These officers don't use no gloves or nothing.
I didn't do anything wrong. Sir! That's at the foot of the door. And her foot. Her
Hey, watch it.
Renee, you're not fault. I know who you are, Renee.
She resist? Yep. Alright, so at least you have that.
You got the...
I know, but at least you have the resistance. Yeah.
Well, does she commit a battery down there, or is it?
They said they spit on her where I was getting all this stuff and I saw her here.
They spit on her, or she spit on
She spit on them.
Raps, the complaint said Renee spit on them, and then was standing in front of the bus. So, huh?
So they spit on her.
Yeah.
And how'd she resist with you guys out here?
Went to put her in cuffs, and she started locked up like this and said no.
Okay.
And I told her.
So why don't you go ahead and transport her to the jail?
Yeah.
We'll take pictures of everything
Yeah, if you get
for
pictures
you.
and send me pictures of the
Yep,
statement.
we got that. What up?
What's up?
Alright, so I'm taking a 10-15 to the jail for you.
Really?
I'm just kidding. Hey, I know, I'm kidding with you.
He's the supervisor.
Hey, how's it going, man?
He's gonna go get video and try to email it to me.
Okay.
Yep.
And if not, he'll write it down.
I can run it down. I've done that before.
Okay. Yeah, witnesses saying that she spit at her and all that. Okay.
The spit landed on her shoe, and she kicked her too.
Oh, Renee kicked her?
Yeah.
Okay. Rap, who got battered?
What?
Who got battered? The driver?
Yeah.
Okay. And it happened in the bus?
I'd be like right here.
Right here. I was standing here blocking her
Okay.
from each one.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I stepped down because she had hit me, really, like brushed me or whatever. She was like that. And I stepped down, and that's when she spit at me.
And she kicked you too?
No, she didn't kick me. She said I kicked her.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when I was reaching for the mic, I went like this because I didn't want her to get in.
Yeah, that's nothing.
No. I don't know. Is this good? I
The
can't
accused
even write.
customer who constantly bringing hazard to driving, returning bus.
83 Alpha, 4501 Waterman Way.
And someone should.
Didn't you say to also put how she
10 of ours.
constantly does what she does when I do have her?
No, it's not necessary.
Okay.
Just put that you're willing to press charges.
Were you in fear of your life, or were you fearing that she might do something?
I was feared that she would make me do something that I haven't done in years. I was
Okay.
ready to fight this woman. But yeah, there's a fear from her because she's not there.
So if you want to put that you were in fear just because of the past situations and everything that she had.
Yeah, you know, when the cops is questioning you and they asking you certain questions, you got to pick up on the hint. Come on. The bus driver, she's supposed to pick up on that. That's why they word it in certain ways. Did you feel that you was in fear for your life? The answer is yes. That's the answer that they're looking for. Okay, that builds your case a lot stronger. She's sitting there saying, I'm in fear that I had to do something that I didn't have to do in a long time. Listen, come on. We don't need the superheroics and all that. Like now you martial arts. You know what I'm saying? Now you Bruce Lee and all that. We don't need all that. That's not what we... No. Were you in fear for your life? Yes. And I was in fear for the passengers that I had on there as well. She was causing a ruckus or whatever. Like, come on now. Get your brain together.
And that you also want to press charges.
Okay. Signature.
Basically saying everything you wrote is the truth and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
So help you God. God's been helping me for many years.
All right, is there anything else you need from us
Why
right
she
now?
didn't get put in my chokehold. No. I'm good.
Let's get back to it.
Have a better day.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yep.
Call my mom! Call my mom! Call my mom! Call my mom!
Renee, shut up.
You know, listen. It don't matter how old, how young. When you get in trouble, the one person that's going to pat you on the back and tell you everything is okay and sell you this sweet dream is mama. That's why when they get in trouble, the one that's going to coddle them is mama. Call my mom. Call mama. Call mommy.
You're not calling anyone. You can call for the jail.
Call my mom!
No.
You better call her right freaking now!
No, Renee.
I didn't do anything wrong!
Yeah, you did.
No, I did not do anything wrong!
Okay.
Bring me the next side bring me the bait where you used to bait with my
Renee,
baby
you're going to
dad
jail.
lives. Bring me the bait where my baby dad lives off
No.
on Bait Street.
No.
On Bait Street, yes sir.
She has
I'm
child.
taking you
She has a
I'm taking you to
child.
Lake County Jail.
On Bait Street. I like to go on Bait Street.
I'm
Baby
glad you like to
daddy.
do that.
Bait Street. I like to go on Baker Street. Why the would your white ass knock me up? Your white trash. Spit on you. Spit on you.
Renee, you spit on me, I'm gonna charge you for battery on law enforcement.
I wouldn't give a I don't like your white bloody ass.
Okay.
I didn't do your ass nothing wrong. So why you harassing me? I'm knocking you out. And you're throwing away. I'm obtaining you. I'm obtaining you. I'm obtaining you, sir. I'm giving you a restraining order, and I'm not a restraining order, but I'm telling on you, and I'm resisting arrest, and I'm going to tell you resisting arrest. Anything you say, Kenny, will be held against you in a court of law, because I didn't do anything wrong. I got $6 right there up in my property and some change, and I'm locking you up and I'm throwing away the keys.
Okay, Renee.
Bro! Hey! 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 Help! Help! Why did she let me on that bus then? Why did she let me on the bus? Why the she didn't let me on the bus then? Why the she didn't let me on that goddamn bus?
Renee, can you please refrain from using any racial slurs and profanity?
Stupid white trash ass.
Renee, I'd say I wouldn't act like this when we get. Okay.
This guy's killing me! This guy's killing me!
It's just 41
This
words.
guy's killing me! This guy's killing me!
Renee, I'd stop.
The suspect was charged with trespassing and resisting an officer without violence.
I can't make this shit up, man. Officers did a pretty good job getting everybody's information or whatever. So I give them... They did pretty good. The only thing that I would say is, like, man, you gotta use gloves, man. When I was a CO, man, I always... You know, unless there's instances where, you know, shit just pops off and you ain't got time for that. But in this case, they had time, man. I ought to put some gloves on, have one hold them down. Oh, let me get my gloves on, because you don't know what these people got. Yeah. Oh, no. Her touching her feet, trying to wrap her feet and all that. Ugh. No way. No thanks. You know that she was spitting on somebody? I would have put a spit mask on her, like, automatically. Because if you spit on me, oh, boy. God, help me. Oh, my goodness. He gonna have to help me, boy. I might lose my job, okay? But overall, these officers was able to keep their composure for the most part or whatever. You know, Big Boy did kind of get a little angry when she was, like, either kicking or banging the door, and then he opened the door and she fell down or whatever. So the other officer had it, hey, whatever, Williams, Chip, what, hey, you know. So, but overall, I give them 3 out of 5. They did a pretty good job. Let me know how well you think the officers did. I'm going to catch you in the next video. Well, let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video. All right?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.